A state cabinet meeting will be held in KAMJONG district today as a part of the Go to Hills. Chief Minister Nongthongwang Biren Singh inaugurated and dedicated to the people various projects and laid foundation stone of several new projects there. On the occasion, Biren stated that his government works for inclusive development of Manipur. Manipur Joint Chief Electoral Officer CEO today released the final electoral roll 2021. The event was held at the CEO office, Lamfelpat, Game Village Road. Joint CEO Ramananda Nomekapum said that e-Epic with QR code would be launched during the National Voters' Day on January 25th. Active COVID-19 cases in the country stand at 213,603, while 1.01 crore people have recovered from the disease, as per the Union Health Ministry. A media report said Kerala and Maharashtra together accounted for 3 out of every 5 fresh COVID-19 cases detected in the country in the past 24 hours, as the pandemic continued to recede across India, except in these 2 states. India's total cash load has now risen to over 1.05 crore. With 189 deaths from the virus in the past 24 hours, the overall toll in the country now stands at 1,51,900. Police arrested a woman along with 74 pieces of WY tablet and 15 grams of heroin at Chekon Chasat Avenue in Imphal East. The arrested was identified as Mary Mate, aged 28 years, of Khudeng Thabi in Technopol district, presently staying at Chekon. A 6.2 magnitude earthquake on Indonesia's Sulawesi island killed at least 7 people and injured hundreds today, the country's disaster mitigation agency said, as panicked residents fled to safer areas after many buildings were damaged. A media report said the epicenter of the quake was 6 km northeast of Majene city at a depth of 10 km. Thoubal district is all ready for the nationwide COVID-19 vaccine inoculation drive tomorrow. Our correspondent reports that 100 health workers of the district hospital will receive the first dose of Covishield vaccine in the first phase of nationwide inoculation. TOMTV today extended assistance to the staff of ISTV who are currently undergoing treatment at Lambui Khongnangkhong COVID Care Center. Our staff cameraman Haich Ibungo Sana handed over Aristogymes, Zincovids, Limsi tablets, face masks, sanitizers and hand gloves to them. Altogether, 15 staffers of ISTV recently tested positive for COVID-19. Room heaters and geysers manufactured by Manipur-based BioRace Ventures Private Limited were launched today. At the launch program, company chairman Chittaranjan Aribam urged the people to buy and use local-made products to help improve the state economy. The vaccination drive will be delayed in 2 districts of Nagaland due to internet connectivity issues. Following the nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Nephew Rio will launch the vaccine for 9 districts at the Naga Hospital Authority Kohima, NHAK. The 3rd Battalion of the Naga Regiment has been conferred with the Chief of Army Staff Unit citation on the occasion of Army Day 2021. The battalion has been conferred the citation in recognition of their outstanding and meritorious contributions. The Naga Regiment was raised on November 1st, 1970. During a joint operation, the Kokrajhar Battalion of the Indian Army and Assam Rifle nabbed a cadre of the Kamatapur Liberation Organization KLO. According to media reports, the joint operation was conducted at around 3 p.m. yesterday by the Kokrajhar Police and the Kokrajhar Battalion of the Indian Army based at Kachugang. Over 3,000 Rohingya refugees of a camp at Nayapara in Bangladesh were rendered homeless after more than 500 huts were destroyed due to the fire. According to media reports, Bangladesh's Refugee Commissioner Rejwan Hayat said that there were no report of any dead, but at least 10 people were injured in the fire incident. The incident took place at around 2 a.m. yesterday at Nayapara camp, Refugee Commissioner Rejwan Hayat said. President-elect Joe Biden outlined a $1.9 trillion stimulus package proposal yesterday, saying bold investment was needed to jumpstart the economy and accelerate the distribution of vaccines to bring the coronavirus under control. Biden campaigned last year on a promise to take the pandemic more seriously than President Donald Trump, and the package aims to put that pledge into action with an influx of resources for the COVID-19 response and economic recovery.